We are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb, the three forms of the base verb. To break, as in breaking an object. The past tense or past simple is pronounced as broke, broke. The participle is pronounced as broken, broken. Stress on the first syllable here. Broken. To break, broke, broken. Here is a video to learn the pronunciation of all irregular verbs. Improve your English. Watch this video right here. Stay tuned to the channel. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.